Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 12 of my video uploading every day, creating beautiful sets to celebrate International Women's Day with Born Pretty products. Thank you guys for sticking with me all through from day 1 till today, which is the last day. I really appreciate you guys. I'm so excited this has come to an end, and at the same time, I'm excited that it has come to an end, and I'm a bit relieved because I won't be under the pressure to film every day and to also edit. Thank you guys once again for your love. I hope you'll be able to get some things from the Born Pretty website, and if you have not gotten anything, it's not too late again. You can go to the website today and shop for whatever you need to shop for from their website. So like I said yesterday, I ran out of models, so today I'll be creating another press-on set. Today I'm going to be creating this in nude. I got this jelly nude in my last PR package from Born Pretty. It's a very lovely nude. So I'm going to be creating this set with this nude, and I'm going to be going over this nails 3 times because I did maybe because I'm using glass, it's a little bit sheer, so I have to go over it 3 times to get the exact shade I want. So yeah, let me use that. I'm also going to be using some bright colors gel polish as well from Born Pretty to create a kind of floral pattern on the middle finger and the ring finger. This set is also my size, so I'm going to be using this very soon in the future. You might see it on any of my tutorial videos where I'll be rocking it. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what is on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. So I've been creating sets from the 1st of March, and let me know which of the sets is your favorite. I've created all short sets which most women can rock easily. So let me know which of the set I created has been or is your favorite of all the ones I've created. So now we go back to uploading videos twice a week. That is on Wednesdays and on Saturdays by 8 p.m. West African time. Because I've uploaded videos from the 1st of March to the 12th of March, I like to take some rest. It has not been easy, filming every day, almost every day. Sometimes I film twice in a day. Now I just want to rest, so I might not upload any video again till the end of March. But if I am able to, if I have rested well enough and I'm able to film more videos and to edit them, I'll do that. So thank you guys for watching, for your support. Don't forget to click on my affiliate marketing website link to get whatever you need to buy from the Born Pretty website. You can also use my discount code, which is Glitterspolish 30, to get discounts off any item you pick from their website. So kindly watch this to the end. Guys, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So I'll talk to you again in my next video. Till then, bye guys, and stay blessed.
Wavy. On and on, it's more sticks on the beat, yeah. On and on, say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know just what you like. with you, but I'ma need some lessons. I need to give it all. I tried to leave, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other. Talk to me, and tell me all that you're thinking. 'Cause I wanna be that somebody just for you. Say now me go day by your side, early morning through the day and the night, even through the darkest times. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Yeah. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other, baby, baby. Everybody used to say, no one loves you like this. No one wants you the same way. Love till the morning. My head wants to turn from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. So I gave you all you need. Gave you all you need. Gave you all and you give me all you need. Give you all you need. Gave you all, make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all, make I give you all you need, baby. You don't need no other body.